Hello YouTube, how are you? Now this video is in English language. अगर आप इस ही वीडियो को हिंदी में देखना चाहते हैं तो स्क्रीन के अपर राइट कॉर्नर पर दिए गए कार्ड पर क्लिक करें. Present in automotive world for more than 40 years now, they have evolved like anything. Born as a workhorse for daily workers in 1940s, today they are much more than that. They are more stylish, more practical, and powerful than ever before. They are roaring on roads in many countries. The demand is huge and ever increasing. Then why country like ours is not still getting them on our roads? The answer is simple. The cost. First, the cost of investment in manufacturing them locally, for which existing plants needs to be upgraded up to some extent, installing new production lines, hiring new vendors for parts which were never made in India before. That is a huge investment. So first, let's have a look at pickup trucks from the makers who are present in India. Honda Ridgeline. People love Honda in India, don't they? Yes, they do. Stylish looks, urban presence, this pickup truck can give good sales number if launched in India. Based on Tucson platform, Hyundai is launching its pickup truck next year in 2022. As we all know that Hyundai has good grip in making stylish cars ever since, this can be a bucket list buy for many Hyundai fans out there in India. With its compact SUV, the Magnite, Nissan is being revived in India. With stronger pedigree of SUVs like Nissan Patrol, X-Trail, we can sure trust this another Japanese manufacturer for pickup truck. Nissan Frontier. Looks good, right? Talking about Japanese auto giants, one cannot forget Toyota. Here is Toyota Hilux. Successful in many other Asian countries like Thailand and Philippines, the rugged DNA from its elder brothers like Toyota Tacoma and Toyota Tundra, this can be a game changer. Videos of this car imported in India are already doing rounds on the internet. Anticipation of it being launched in India is sky high amongst the Ford fans. Having the same blood and bones as Ford's F-Series pickup trucks, the first ever and highest selling pickup trucks on the planet Earth. Ranger is something we not just want but need in India. So this was the list of 5 pickup trucks we can have in India. Apart from this, there are many pickups globally which you might want to have a look at. The ones we can only dream of having in India via retail showrooms as a lineup member and not as a rich guy's imported toy. Comment which of this you want to see in India in comment section below. Hit that like button and share this video with your friends and family. Do subscribe to Left Lane Driver channel and make sure you have pressed that bell button to get notified of each video upload. Here are some more interesting videos you might enjoy watching. See you in the next one. Till then, happy motoring.